Okay, let me be clear about something. Most time, if you order a document from us or if you get some free thing from us, you will see a disclaimer. Disclaimer look like this. Let me tell you one thing. It's a disclaimer. If you watch my video, you know what disclaimer means. So, if I put a disclaimer on my documents, that means you can use them, but it's your own responsibility. If you hire me to help you out, that's a different story because we have an agreement. But again, this is a disclaimer. Read it well. If you have a question about disclaimer or if you have a question about the document that you just received, we have a Discord. In the Discord, you will go there. You will find the link in the description of this video. You will go there, go to text us page, channel, call it whatever you want. Go to the channel, open the channel, and press text us. When you do that, you will send us a message, explain what the situation is, and we will try to help you. It's that simple. Remember, this is a disclaimer. Read it well. Read it well. If you have a question about it, just go in the Discord and ask us. I hope you like this video and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next one.